Today I build one flashlight using the motorcycle headlight bulb. It's a 12 volt, have a white light and yellow light. Very cheap but good quality. And as usual, I use the lithium ion DIY battery pack using this casing. So it's a 12 volt battery pack. Here is the light. I make some upgrading to this flashlight. So here is the thumb operation to on the headlight. Here this button is first for yellow light, and the second button here for the side tubes, and this third button for this side tubes. Okay, and this one is under the light. Now I will on side by side lights, and then you notice the downside light, this one, and you see this is, if I'm walking, you see only the right side is bright, so I need also left side. Now right and left, both sides are on, right and left. And notice on my feet now, you see light down have clear visibility because of the light on the feet. Simply means this one for the steps. Okay, this light. Now we test the flashlight. It's really bright, much bright, very bright. Yellow light, this is white light, this is white and yellow light, this is the right side, right and left side, and under. That is really very good. You see 3 lights side by side, include this, the flashlight. Good. See, perfect, amazing, beautiful, nice, very good, very perfect, and super long lasting. This is battery voltage indicator. Perfect, right? Good. So that was my powerful DIY flashlight, new version with the left side lights, with the right side lights, and under the light with the single motorcycle headlight. It's a really very nice, very good, with the charging port and plus car charger can use, and also the voltmeter for display. Yes, it's good, fantastic, perfect. So once again, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next.